Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and confirming the lock type so you don't buy the wrong part. Remove foam or trim clips carefully. Once exposed, remove the visible screws holding the lock to the sash. Make sure to support the glass edge with a soft pad so it stays stable while you work. As you remove screws, keep them in a small container and note their lengths. This prevents confusion when reassembling and saves time later, when matching the new lock to the old mounting pattern. Once the old lock is free, extract it slowly, observing how the spindle and keepers sit inside the frame. This tells you how the replacement must align. Insert the new lock, feeding the spindle through the handle hole and aligning the fixing holes. Once aligned, hand start each screw to avoid cross-threading. Then tighten in small increments so the mechanism stays square. After tightening, operate the handle several times to confirm smooth action. If it binds, loosen slightly and realign the plate until movement is consistent. You finish by running the handle through its full travel to ensure the latch or bolt fully engages the striker. This confirms secure locking and avoids wind-driven opening. If movement feels stiff, apply a light lubricant to moving parts and retest. If the lock won't align, loosen screws and shift the striker, or add a thin shim until engagement is clean. One troubleshooting tip. If the handle spins without moving the lock, check for a bent or worn spindle or stripped internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.